and welcome to my channel. I hope that you are having a fabulous day. I am here with a design team project for ASC Craft Supplies, and I will leave links to both of their online stores in the description box below. And remember to use my coupon code Michelle10 for 10% off any regular price purchases, and any order $75 or more ships free. And I have used the Mente Graceful collection and the Cartabella Flower Garden collection. The 3D bookcase tutorial was by my friend Jenn Cascell, and I will leave a link to her YouTube channel in the description box below. So I have used some of the chipboard pieces, some lace from my stash, and I have cut some of the ephemera pieces out. And I just love this collection. I think it is so pretty. Just beautiful scenes with a beautiful lady. We'll just take I'll take one of them out. I have not put anything inside of them yet, but this is how I decorated. And like I said, I just love the scenes. You really don't have to do much. And then it opens up so you can put some little goodies on the inside. So I'll have this ready to go. And I'll just go ahead and take out the other two so you can see the paper. It's just beautiful paper. And I love the windows. As I say with the Mente paper, I just love the architectural details. Whoops, I'm going to have to glue that back one there. I knocked it off. And pull that back so you can see. It's just a beautiful paper collection. The beautiful purples and pinks. So, so gorgeous. And you can see here, I've really showcased the flowers and the colors in the collection on the inside. So just so, so pretty. And then there's the bottom. For the bottom, I chose to use one of their kit apart pages. That way I was able to use it, because sometimes it's hard to use those pages that are the cut aparts. And I also used, I forgot to mention, the rose gold foil paper from Michaels. So some nice sparkle, and I did that on every single one of these. So it took a while to get them put together, but I think it was worth it for that little extra sparkle. So let's see here. Put that back together, and I've made another one of these, and they are so fun to make. Jen did a fabulous tutorial. Lay that to the side. The flower cart MDC tutorial was created by Kay, who is Kaylee Creations on YouTube, and I will leave a link to her in the description box as well. And I used the gorgeous Cartabella Flower Garden paper collection. And I do also have it in digital, so I did shrink down some of the ephemera to use to fit the cart, but I love how this came out. And I created this little banner at the top with some little flowers. These are from my stash. And the little happiness blooms from within. And I used some of this rose gold glitter and some flat back pearls. And I just think it's a beautiful, stunning paper collection. And then she shows us to put a little straw there for the handle. And then on the inside, Kay showed us how to make a little insert so we could put flowers on the top and make it our little flower cart. But I love it. I just think it's so pretty and so springy. And I've used some lace from my stash and some pearl trim here at the top and this ribbon. And I, of course, as you can see, use the black and white striped paper at the top for the awning. But just a beautiful paper collection, and some of the flowers are from ASC and some are from my stash. I'll just turn it around once again. So make sure to visit ASC Craft Supplies and use my coupon code Michelle10 for 10% off any of your regular price purchases, and any order $75 or more ships free. So thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.